Today I am discussing about how to draw spar gear profile. So let's take an example. The problem is to draw the profile of involute teeth for a gear having 25 teeth and module 10 millimeter, assuming pressure angle of 20 degree. So from the problem we get the given data as T, that means teeth of gear is 25, module is 10 millimeter and pressure angle as 20 degree. We know from mathematical expression PCD is a module into number of teeth, that is M into T, which gives 250 millimeter, and CP is pi into M is module. We get module equal to 1 by dp, that means the reciprocal of diametral pitch PCD by T, which gives 31.4 millimeter. Addendum is equal to M, that is 10 millimeter, and addendum circle dia PCD plus 2 into addendum, that means 270 millimeter, and clearance CP by 20, that means 31.4 by 20, 1.57 millimeter. And addendum is nothing but the summation of addendum and clearance, as because we know the clearance is nothing but the difference between addendum and dedendum. Dedendum circle diameter is 226.86 millimeter and tooth thickness is CP by 2, that means 15.7 millimeter. Now I am actually draw how you draw the gear profile of spar gear. Now we have to draw the spar gear from the given dimension. First draw the vertical line like this, and also draw a horizontal line where the vertical line and horizontal line intersect each other. Give this point name as O. Now we have to draw the pitch circle diameter of the gear. From the problem we know the pitch circle diameter is 250 millimeter and the radius should be 125 millimeter. Take 12.5 centimeter with the point O as center. Draw the pitch circle diameter. Now we have to draw the addendum circle diameter. From the relation we know addendum circle diameter is PCD plus 2 into addendum. The addendum circle diameter is 270 millimeter and the half of this dimension is 135 millimeter. Take 13.5 centimeter here, and with the help of with taking the O as the center, draw the addendum circle like this. Similarly, we have to draw the dedendum circle diameter. The dimension of dedendum circle diameter is 226 millimeter and the half of this is 113 millimeter. That means 11.3 millimeter. Just take 11.3 millimeter. Draw the dedendum circle. Now take PCD by 4, that means 250 by 4, which becomes 6.25 centimeter. Just take 6.25 centimeter Take this dimension, cut here, give this point name as M. You can give any name, A, B, C, D, like this. There is no mandatory to give same name. Draw this arc. So the dimension of this arc is PCD by 4. PCD by 4. Give this point name as P. Now take PCD by 8. That means 250 by 8, which is 3.12 centimeter. 3.12 centimeter. Here, takes this dimension, and with the help of this point, with the center P, draw another arc like this. These two arcs intersect each other at point Q. With this dimension from O to Q, draw another arc like this. Now from the problem we know that thickness of tooth is 15.7 millimeter. Okay, just take 15.7 millimeter. Cut here. You can cut this side also. Now take this dimension, that is PCD by 8. Take this dimension, taking P is the center, cut here. Now with this point, draw the arc of the gear like this. Now we have to draw the arc of this side also. Take the same dimension, cut here. With the help of this point as the center, draw the arc like this. For these gear teeth, taking the same dimension, cut here. Draw this arc. Now take this point, cut here. With the help of this point, we have already draw two gear teeth